Now, question of the day. Our motto determine V naught. Okay. Now, look here. That is V naught. Here plus, here minus. Okay. So how can we determine that value? First of all, if you see very carefully, like that one. Okay. No one look like series are parallel in easy way. That one here positive and here negative terminal. Okay. So voltage determined across these means corresponding to that one. Okay. So how can we determine? First of all, if you see very carefully, this one is x and that is y and that is z. So that is also z. Okay. So first of all, these three are star connected if this one is converted into delta, and that is considered P point. Okay. So first of all, make here x like that one, here z, here x, here z, here y like that one, and that is 12 kilo ohm, and that is 12 kilo ohm, and that is also 12 kilo ohm, and that point is P. Okay. If this one is converted into star, okay, this one is converted, this star is converted into delta, sorry, converted into delta like that one, and that resistance, and also that resistance, here R1, here R2, here R3. Okay. So what about R1? R1 is basically that resistance plus that resistance, 12 plus 12 plus 12 into 12 divided by that resistance. So that is 36 kilo ohm. Okay. Three resistance are equal, so R1, R2, R3 are same. How much? 36 kilo ohm. That is also 36 kilo ohm. Okay. So you can replace this to R1, R2 and R3. Okay. How can? First of all, redraw again. That one 12 kilo ohm, that one 12 kilo ohm, that is x, here plus, here minus, here V naught, here 12 kilo ohm, here 12 kilo ohm. Okay. That one is y, and that is x, and that is z. So x to y, how much? 12, sorry, 36 kilo ohm, and that one also 36 kilo ohm, and that one 36 kilo ohm. And after that, this one is showing how much? 4 milliampere. Here or not? Now reader, or you can say that these two are parallel, these two are parallel. Okay. So combination of these two, we got this one and this one, here plus, here minus, V naught. 36 into 12, 48. That is 9 ohm. So that is 9 kilo ohm. That is 9 kilo ohm. Okay. And that one 36 kilo ohm. That is 4 milliampere. Okay. Now, with the help of current division rule, if you determine current in this branch, okay, how can do? Otherwise, you can apply voltage divider rule also. You can use voltage divider rule, or you can first of all, these two are convert, these two are convert with the help of source transformation. current source like that one, a resistance given like here R, here I, with the help of source transformation, plus minus, and that is V, and V is equal to IR, and that is R. If here A, here B terminal, then A, here B. Okay. So you can apply here that procedure. Then we got that is resistance, and that one is plus minus current direction upwards, so that's why 36 into 4 multiplication of these two. Okay, so 36 into 4, 144 volt, and that one is 36 kilo ohm. After that, that is 9 kilo ohm, and that one is plus minus V naught, and that is 9 kilo ohm. Okay, now look again, these two are series. Okay, so you can represent 9 plus 36, that is 45 kilo ohm, and that one is 9 kilo ohm. Here plus minus B naught, and here plus minus 144 volt. Now with the help of voltage division rule, V naught is written as plus 144 into 9 divided by 45 plus 9, that is 54. Okay, now 144 divided by 6. Okay, 6 2 ja 12, and that is 24 volt. So final answer V naught, that is how much, plus 24 volt, is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, see very carefully. First of all, we have apply here source transfer, star delta, converted star to delta. With the help of star delta conversion, we got R1, R2, R3, and after that put this value, these two are parallel, these two. Okay, then we got like that one. After that, apply source transformation. Okay, with the help of source transformation, after that we have applied voltage division rule. Then we got V naught. V naught is 24 volt. If any doubt, then comment it. Okay, I will discuss again.